This video is on downloading TuxPaint stamps. Stamps are ready-made stickers which are available in the TuxPaint toolbox. And when we first install TuxPaint, we only have limited number of stamps available in it of penguin. But if you want for creating stories, more number of stamps of different categories like animals, buildings, vehicles, etc., then we can go for downloading TuxPaint stamps, which will provide us ready-made pictures. Now, the first step is you will search TuxPaint in your browser. Go to the website. Now, on the extreme left side, you can see download TuxPaint. Click on that. Then, on scrolling, you can choose Microsoft Windows. Now, scroll down. Here, you can see rubber stamps written here. Click on this TuxPaint stamps. Now your TuxPaint stamps they start getting downloaded. You can see that these stamps are available. Now you can install them by clicking on it. Click on yes. Select the language. Click on next. Next. Again next. Because we are generally saving it in C drive. If you want to change, you can go for browse, but generally C drive is okay. Click on next. Now see here, these are the categories which you will be getting: animals, clothes, hobbies, natural forces, and so many. Click on next, again next, and click on install. Click on finish. After your installation is complete, you can go to your TuxPaint software and check the stamps available there. You will see the ready-made stickers. See, click on stamp. See, now you have more number of stamps available like bird. Then you can go for other categories which you can utilize in your stories.